पूर्ण इंट्रोडक्शन द्या आधी.
असं आणि हे घ्यायचं, ते घ्या आणि ते पाईप घ्या.
To do the Bernolli's experiment, you need to make on the water pump continuously on to get the constant head. This is constant head tank. Make on this ball on and adjust this all and observe this each height of each piezometric tube, like this water height. You will get the U shape. You have to note down the each height of water height of each tube in observation table, and after that you can calculate the total energy by using this. Like this.
Filling na, filling type.
So sample calculations, readings. आणि करेक्ट टाकतो. फास्ट टाईप
झालं. टॉप